At this point, y'all already know what it is. Pennsylvania, it's time. Come get this work. Top trade schools, Pennsylvania. Come get this work. So today we're about to slide through the heartbeat of industrial innovation. From the steel cities of Pittsburgh to the bustling naval yards of Philadelphia, the whole state of Pennsylvania is experiencing a Rust Belt revival. Last week, we witnessed Ohio's resurgence. The once forgotten Rust Belt regions are rebounding. Try to say that 3 times fast. Let's check out which institutions are driving this revival and shaping Pennsylvania's future. Before we get into this episode, I want to shoot a special thanks to this episode's sponsor, the Pittsburgh Steelers and Troy Polamalu. Not really, but if you want to sponsor one of these episodes in the future, if we haven't done your state, holler at me in the comments. Coming in at number 3,